How to see who viewed your profile on TikTok. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily see who viewed your profile on TikTok. So first thing, just head over to your TikTok application, and once you're inside here, just click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. And now as you can see at the top, there is a walking icon. So here basically when I tap on this, I can see all of the viewers who have viewed my profile. So to make sure to enable this, what you can do is just come over this hamburger icon at the top right corner and simply click on settings and privacy. Now simply click on this privacy, and once you're inside the privacy option, just scroll all the way down until you see the option called viewers. As you can see, currently my viewer history is on, so make sure you have enabled this. So when you enable this, if others have also turned on the settings, they will also be able to see that you viewed their profile as well. So once you enable that, you can easily see who viewed your profile just like that. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.